Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open interest on TradingView or how to view interest on TradingView. And for this we are using the Bitcoin to USD chart right here and we want to show or open interest. So we go to indicators and then we type in open interest, then we do open interest, and then right now if you can see it's not possible right here. It's very strange, but we find a way how we can do this, because if we right now go to Bitcoin and search for Bitcoin perp, there it is, a perpetual contract from Binance. If you now click on this, you will find right here that here standing the interest. So it's only possible to do this on this way, but you can do this for multiple other ways. If you want to know how to do that, you can find it on my channel, but this is how you can do it, for example, for Bitcoin. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.